Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to just do a quick vlog on my beauty room and what I would like to do to it. Maybe you guys can help me with some ideas. It's kind of a mess right now, but it is better than it's been in the past. I have repainted. I have a new desk made by a student that I just adore, and I have a great backyard to look at while I get ready. Other than that, I could definitely use some ideas. I know I need better lighting, and I know I'm gonna be getting some mirrors. So tell me what you think. All right, so here we go. Here's my beauty room. When I walk in, this is my third bedroom in my home that I have made into my beauty room, also my dance room. So to the right here, I have my dresser, some lipsticks, my jewelry. I really pared down my jewelry, a couple jewelry boxes. Those are all my necklaces. What I've done in the closet is I definitely have to make this neater. I don't know the right word to say, but this was my old file cabinets with all my beauty products in it that I used to have as my desk, and I had a board across it. But I basically want everything to be put away and a very clean look in the actual room. I have my hats here just on some little hooks. I've hung my scarves up on a little tension rod, shoes which need some help. And then when you come into the left, I got this amazing, beautiful, like perfectly intact vintage furniture. I want to keep one of the things in here. This is a little love seat, just for an extra seating area. And it also comes with a little chair here. This is a box left over from a new light in my living room, so I have to figure out where to put that. My dress, whatever. Headdresses that I've made for Halloween, which is my favorite holiday in the whole world. These are art pieces that I actually want to put back up because I repainted my whole thing. Ghetto curtain for when the sun is right in my eyeball. Not for looks, clearly. My pretty backyard. So this is where I get ready every morning and I do my videos. I really love it being by the window. I'm not sure if it's the best place logistically, but it feels awesome, and so I don't want to change it. This is my director chair that I use for other people to sit in. This is my backdrop thing, which I don't use very often, so I think I want to put it away and only so that it's not out in the room. Again, I really want to do more of a clean, simple look. And then what I want to do is put 3 mirrors along this wall to do choreography on. I have new wooden floors and stuff, so I'm just not really sure how I want to set it up. It feels a little bulky right now. I don't want to keep this in here and this in here. So maybe move that chair into another room, my guest bedroom or something. Anyway, I just realized that this video is turned the wrong way. So, wow. So again, you walk in, you guys can tell me, should I keep the love seat in here or should I keep the chair in here? I'm not ever gonna move this desk. The student made it for me. I love it so much, but it has no drawers or anything. So I don't really want to keep too much on there, and I know it might not be logistically the right spot, but I'm not going to move it because it feels good to me, and I like to do things that feel good. And then my dresser is here. My house is from the 1960s, and there's not a lot of storage, and so I've just kind of made this into my dressing, beauty, office, dance room. And that's it. So tell me guys what you think, and if you have any ideas for me and how to set this room up, what I need to do. Obviously need better lighting and some mirrors. And yeah, let me turn this around. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.